In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in TradingView. Let's get started by opening TradingView and starting on a chart. In your browser, head over to tradingview.com/chart and wait for the platform to load up. Once the chart is visible, take a moment to confirm that the main chart area is currently showing horizontal and vertical grid lines running behind the candles. These are the lines we're going to remove in just a moment, so it's helpful to notice them now before we make any changes. Now we'll open the chart settings. Look toward the top toolbar of the chart, near the upper right corner. You should see a Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings to open a Settings dialog. A new window will appear with several tabs on the left side, giving you control over the appearance and behavior of the chart. From here, we need to go to the Canvas tab. Inside the Settings dialog, find the option labeled Canvas and click it. This is the section that controls the look of the chart background, including the grid lines we want to turn off. Next, we'll turn the grid lines off. Inside the Canvas tab, look for the section called Chart Basic Styles. You'll see an option labeled Grid Lines with a drop-down next to it that says Vert and Horiz, which stands for vertical and horizontal. Click that drop-down to open the list of available options. From the list that appears, click None. Selecting None tells TradingView that you do not want either the vertical or the horizontal grid lines to be displayed behind your candles anymore. With that selected, it's time to apply the change. Move your cursor to the bottom right of the Settings dialog, where you'll see a button labeled OK. Click OK to confirm your selection and close the settings window. The dialog will close and the chart will refresh with your new preference applied. Take a look at the chart now. The background no longer shows any horizontal or vertical grid lines, so the candles and price action stand out clearly on a clean canvas. This gives you a much more minimal view, letting the price movement become the main focus of your screen without any distracting lines behind it. Congratulations! You have successfully removed the grid lines in TradingView, and your chart is now displayed with a clean, uncluttered background ready for your analysis.